Hello guys, welcome back to the second tutorial of this series about introduction to Python. So in this tutorial we're going to learn how to install Python. So to install Python is very straightforward. So just open up your browser and type in python.org. Go to this URL, type in python.org. It will bring you to this page. Click on downloads and then download according to which operating system you are using, Mac, Windows, Linux, whatever operating system. You just click on the download. The latest version, it is 3.82. so you just click on download and to download for you. It's very straightforward. If you are a Windows user, make sure that you click on put Python in my path during the installation process, so that Python can be within your paths. Okay, so it's very simple to do. So after installing Python, we can just run Python. We don't even need an IDE. You can just write Python from your terminal, no matter the operating system that you are using. So I'll just open up my terminal over here. So to run it, I'm using Python 3. So I'll type in Python 3, then I'll hit enter. This will bring for me the Python interpreter. So Python is an interpreted language, so this is the Python interpreter. So I can just write Python code in here. So let's write hello world. So if I right click enter, it prints hello world, because the print statement is just to print something on the screen. So this shows that you've already installed Python correctly. So just exit out. So to check the price, go over to get an IDE, because we don't write, it's not customary to write Python in the terminal. So let's get the IDE and begin to work with Python. So to get the IDE, just go to this URL, code.visualstudiocode.com, and then you click on choose the operating system that you are using, Windows, Debian, Ubuntu, and Mac, and then you install it. I have already done that, so I want to install it again. So after doing that, you just have to open your Visual Studio Code. So I've opened mine over here. So if you open it, this is what you get. So I have created a folder called Python. This is where we're going to keep all our program files. So after doing that, we need to go to the packages, and in the packages we're going to type in here Python, hit enter, and then install Python. Just the first one, Python. You can see it has about over 19 million downloads, so it's very popular extension in Visual Studio Code. So after you download that, you are ready to start writing Python code. So come over here, create a file, hello.py. So I've created a Python file, must have an extension of .py, which are Python files. So let's just test everything. So just do a print statement, and then you're going to print hello world. So after that, we can actually run Python in our Visual Studio Code. You just right click and then run Python in terminal. So just open up a terminal below here and run the Python code. So we have got this over here, Python, like that. So another way to do is to you open up your terminal into Python, where my files are. So here you can see hello world. So to run it, you just say Python 3 and then hello.py and then hit enter. This is also run for you. That's print for you hello world. Hello world is a program that we have written here. So yeah, that's how you do your hello world in Python, to install Python and to get started using Python hello world, to write a simple program in hello world rather. So yeah, in the next tutorial we'll be continuing to go over the various things within our list. We'll be looking at the keyword identifiers, how to write statement, and a bit of variables in Python. So thank you for watching. See you there.